Not all tools are created equal. Some just work, and some completely change the game. Today we're looking at 15 tools that do exactly that. Smarter, faster, and tougher than anything you've seen before. And trust me, number 7 is the kind of tool that'll make you stop and rewind. Let's get into it. No more slipping, stripping, or second-guessing. KNIPEX Cobra water pump pliers lock in with confidence and adjust in a snap. These German-engineered pliers feature a push-button adjustment system that lets you dial in the perfect jaw width with one hand. Once set, the self-locking jaws grip tight on pipes, bolts, and fittings without slipping, so you can apply serious torque with less effort. The box joint design adds stability, and the hardened teeth, up to 61 HRC, bite down and hold their edge over time. A built-in pinch guard protects your fingers during quick adjustments, and the non-slip handles offer comfort and control even in wet or greasy conditions. Available in sizes from 4 inches to 22 inches, there's a Cobra for every job, from plumbing and HVAC to automotive and general maintenance. Fast, precise, and built to last, these pliers are a must-have for anyone who values control and efficiency. No need to wrestle with wobbly glue-ups. Grab the Grizzly T30325 Bare Grip A-frame pipe clamp and lock it down with confidence. Designed to work with standard 3/4-inch threaded black pipe, this clamp gives you modular flexibility for panel glue-ups, cabinet builds, and more. The A-frame base adds stability and hand clearance, while the 4-plate clutch system ensures smooth, secure adjustments under pressure. Whether you're edge gluing boards or assembling furniture, this clamp holds firm without slipping. The rugged steel construction is built for repeat use, and at around $16.95, it's a budget-friendly way to expand your clamping arsenal. Just pick your pipe length, slide on the clamp, and you're ready to go. It's a simple, reliable solution for woodworkers who want control, consistency, and value in every project. Cleanup just got smarter with the Makita DUB 187 18-volt LX T-blower, a compact cordless tool that doubles as a vacuum for fast, efficient debris control. With a simple lever flip, you can switch between blowing and vacuuming modes, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor tasks. The variable speed trigger and cruise control let you dial in airflow and lock it for continuous use, with the 25L dust bag and built-in shredder blades help manage cleanup with less mess. It delivers up to 230 km/h of blowing force, and the soft group handle, shoulder strap, and front wheels keep things comfortable during longer sessions. Whether you're clearing sawdust in the shop or leaves in the yard, this blower-vac combo runs on Makita's 18-volt LXT battery system, so it's compatible with your existing tools. Lightweight, versatile, and job site tough, it's a cleanup tool that works as hard as you do. Dropped screws, nails, or bolts? No problem. The Rack magnetic pickup tool is built to find and retrieve metal bits from tight, dark, or hard-to-reach places. This extendable tool features a powerful magnetic head that lifts to 5 pounds, making it perfect for garage, shop, or household use. The telescoping shaft extends up to 22 inches, so you can reach under workbenches, behind appliances, or deep into engine bays without crawling around. A built-in LED light at the tip illuminates your target, helping you spot and grab metal debris with precision. The rubberized grip keeps it comfortable and secure in your hand, even during awkward angles. Whether you're working on a car, assembling furniture, or just cleaning up your workspace, this tool saves time and frustration. Lightweight, compact, and surprisingly strong, it's one of those small tools that makes a big difference. Precision meets portability in the Bosch Blaze laser distance measuring tool, a smart upgrade from your old tape measure. Designed for pros and serious DIYers, it delivers accurate measurements up to 165 feet with precision down to 1/16 inch depending on the model. The standout feature is Bosch's real-time measurement mode, which updates as you move, making layout work fast and intuitive. Select models include a green laser that's up to 4 times brighter than red, perfect for outdoor visibility. You also get multiple measuring modes: length, area, volume, and indirect height, plus Bluetooth connectivity for syncing with Bosch's Measure On app. The backlit display is easy to read in any light, and the compact design fits comfortably in your pocket or tool pouch. Whether you're framing, flooring, or estimating materials, the Blaze series offers speed, accuracy, and convenience in one rugged, job site-ready package. It's a smart tool that saves time and boosts precision. Cutting copper pipe doesn't have to be slow or awkward. The Milwaukee M12 copper tubing cutter makes it fast, clean, and effortless. Powered by Milwaukee's M12 battery system, this cordless cutter spins at 500 RPM, slicing through type K, L, and M copper tubing from 3/8 to 1 inch with precision. The auto-adjusting cutting head locks onto the pipe and delivers smooth, burr-free cuts in seconds. With just 1.5 inches of clearance needed, it's perfect for tight spaces behind walls or under sinks. You'll get up to 200 cuts per charge, and the inline design keeps your wrist in a natural position for better control. A built-in LED light helps you stay accurate in dim conditions, and the tool's compact size makes it easy to maneuver. Whether you're roughing in plumbing or replacing lines, this cutter saves time and effort. No hand cranking, no guesswork, just clean cuts and job site efficiency. Framing just got faster with the RIDGID round head framing nailer, a rugged, job site-ready tool built for speed, power, and precision. Designed to drive full round head nails up to 3.5 inches, it's ideal for framing, decking, and sheathing. The dry fire lockout prevents blank shots, while the adjustable depth of drive let you fine-tune nail placement without reaching for a wrench. Its magnesium housing keeps the tool lightweight yet durable, and the rear-loading magazine speeds up reloads when you're in the zone. You also get a 360-degree exhaust port to direct air away from your face and a Nomar tip to protect finished surfaces. Whether you're framing walls or building out a deck, this nailer delivers consistent performance with minimal recoil. It's a solid choice for pros who want reliability and control in every shot. Just load it up and let it rip.
Grab one tool and ditch the rest. The BRAP universal socket tool instantly adapts to grip nuts, bolts, hooks, and fasteners of all shapes. This clever socket uses spring-loaded steel pins that conform to any shape between 7mm and 19mm, making it perfect for odd jobs, quick fixes, and hard-to-reach fasteners. Whether you're working on furniture, bikes, or DIY repairs, it saves time by eliminating the need to hunt for the right socket size. The set includes a power drill adapter so that you can use it manually or with your favorite cordless driver. Compact and easy to carry, it's a go-to tool for handymen, mechanics, and anyone who wants versatility in their kit. With a 4.6-star rating and a price around $23.99, it's also a popular gift item. Simple, smart, and surprisingly useful. The BRAP socket tool is one of those gadgets you'll reach for more than you expect.
Avoid costly surprises behind walls with the Bosch Detect 200C wall scanner, a high-precision detection tool built for pros who need to drill, cut, or anchor with confidence. This advanced scanner uses radar technology to detect live wires, metal and plastic pipes, wooden studs, and air cavities, giving you a full picture of what's beneath the surface. The color display is crisp and intuitive, showing object depth and material type, while the spot view and multiple scan modes let you adapt to different surfaces and job site conditions. You can save screenshots to an SD card or transfer them via USB-C, making documentation fast and easy. Whether you're working on drywall, concrete, or tile, the Detect 200C helps you avoid rework and damage. It's a smart investment for electricians, remodelers, and contractors who want accuracy, safety, and speed in one rugged, easy-to-use tool. Scan smarter, work safer.
Clogs don't stand a chance against the RIDGID Power Spin Plus, a fast, easy-to-use drain cleaner designed for sinks, tubs, and showers. This handheld tool features a 25-foot reinforced cable that tackles blockages in 1-inch to 1.5-inch drain lines, and it can be operated manually or powered by a drill for extra speed. The auto-feed trigger advances and retracts the cable with one hand, keeping your other hand clean and free. Its clear drum cover lets you monitor cable movement, while the kink-resistant design helps prevent jams and snags. Whether you're dealing with hair clogs or soap buildup, the Power Spin Plus gives you control and torque without the mess. It's a great tool for homeowners and pros who want a reliable, compact solution for routine drain maintenance. Just attach your drill, feed the cable, and spin your way to a clear line. No chemicals, no fuss. Slim, tough, and surprisingly useful. The Wallet Ninja MultiTool card packs everyday utility into a credit card-sized form that fits right in your wallet. Made from heat-treated stainless steel, it features 18 built-in tools, including hex wrenches, screwdrivers, a bottle opener, a box cutter, a can opener, a fruit peeler, and even a phone stand. It's TSA approved for travel, and the engraved tool labels make it easy to find the right function fast. Whether you're tightening a screw, opening a package, or popping a cold drink, this multi-tool handles quick fixes without the bulk. It's a favorite among ADC fans, DIYers, and anyone who likes being prepared. At around $10 to $15, it's also a great stocking stuffer or backup tool for glove boxes and go bags. Lightweight, durable, and always within reach, the Wallet Ninja proves that big utility can come in a small package. Scrape off the stubborn stuff with the Cleanse Razor Blade Scraper Tool, a compact, no-nonsense solution for removing paint, stickers, grime, and baked-on residue from smooth surfaces. It features a durable plastic body with an ergonomic grip for controlled scraping, and comes with 15 extra steel blades, so you're stocked for repeat use. The quick-release mechanism makes blade swaps fast and tool-free, while the dual-edge design works with both standard and safety blades. Whether you're cleaning glass, ceramic, cooktops, oven doors, or tile, this scraper delivers precision without damaging the surface. Slim enough to stash in a drawer or toolbox, it's a handy go-to for DIYers, renters, and pros alike. From post-project cleanup to everyday messes, this tool helps you tackle the tough stuff with ease. No chemicals, no hassle, just clean results. Break up rough concrete with the Bosch SDS Max Bushing Tool, a heavy-duty chisel built for aggressive surface prep. Designed for use with SDS Max rotary hammers, this tool features a solid steel head with 16 or 25 hardened teeth that pulverize material fast. It's ideal for roughening smooth concrete, removing surface buildup, or adding texture for better adhesion. The extended shaft options reduce bending and fatigue during floor work, while the one-piece construction ensures durability under repeated impact. Whether you're prepping for epoxy, resurfacing a slab, or cleaning up stone, this bushing tool delivers consistent results with minimal effort. It's a go-to for masons, contractors, and restoration crews who need serious bite and reliable performance. Just lock it in and let the hammer do the work. Cut with confidence using the Ryobi 40V HP chainsaw, a cordless powerhouse built for serious yard work and tree maintenance. With its brushless motor and HP technology, this saw delivers performance on par with a 40cc gas chainsaw, slicing through hardwoods with ease. The 18-inch bar and chain offer a generous cutting capacity, while the toolless chain tensioning and auto oiler keep maintenance simple and fast. It's part of the Ryobi 40V system, so you get long runtime and compatibility with other outdoor tools. The soft grip handle, chain brake, and metal bucking spikes add control and safety, making it ideal for felling, limbing, and cleanup. Whether you're clearing storm damage or prepping firewood, this chainsaw gives you gas-like power without the noise, fumes, or hassle. Just charge up and get to work. Level and locate with ease using the Craftsman Laser Level Stud Sensor, a 2-in-1 tool that combines stud detection and laser leveling for fast, accurate wall work. It detects wood and metal studs behind drywall and projects a horizontal laser line to help you hang shelves, mount TVs, or align cabinets with precision. The 20-foot laser range covers most room layouts, and the backlit LCD screen makes it easy to read in dim spaces. You also get edge and center stud detection, plus a live wire warning for added safety. Compact and easy to use, it's a great tool for DIYers and pros who want reliable results without juggling multiple devices. Whether you're remodeling or just hanging decor, this tool helps you find the right spot and keep things level. No guesswork, no rework. And that's a wrap on our 15 next-level tools redefining how real pros work. Each one's built to make your projects faster, cleaner, and smarter. So, which one blew your mind the most? Drop your pick down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the next epic tool drop. Until next time, stay sharp, build smart, and keep pushing the limits.